So yeah, we just made an auto surface here. I'm just gonna hit OK on this. And I'm also going to create a little speaker pod right above here and then use that surface to cut through with it. So first off, I'm just gonna go to create sketch. And actually first I'm gonna align it just so we have like a nice XY plane. And just right off the bat, the software kind of aligns it somewhat for me. Just for the purpose of this quick video, I'm gonna hit OK just so it's something kind of like that easy. And then I'm gonna go to create a sketch. And I'm gonna use that same like base plane, kind of like right here I think, just so I have like a straight point of view. And that's my X, Y. So I'll go here, go to plane XY, and it's showing me kind of like a cut view. But I want a silhouette. So now I see that whole outline of the whole thing there. And I'm just using this for now, just so that I have a view of it. Right now it's kind of upside down, so I'll flip it over. And then now I'm looking at where I'm really gonna be using it. So the speaker pod, I'm gonna design it kind of right here on the part of my A-pillar. So I'll go and create a line. And I'm just gonna do some random design, nothing too crazy, but I'll do something kind of like this, you know, get a little artistic with it. And then just once I close it off, notice it turns dark gray. I'll hit escape, and then I can hit OK, or if I wanted to put some speaker pods in there, I could do that. So how many little pods should we do?
Let's do two, like a 3.5 or 1 inch.
Okay, so we'll go here, we'll do one here. And we're in millimeters, so we'll put it around 37 millimeters. I'm not sure what that is exactly compared to. And then here we'll go 80, okay. So we'll go to 80 millimeters. And notice that I kind of went a little bit farther out, and that's okay. I'm gonna hit okay, and then just click this and drag it over to where it makes more sense. So then I hit accept. And then from here, I can click on extrude. So I'm just gonna go here, extrude, and I just click on that same little sketch I just did. And automatically it's gonna give me just a default of 10 millimeters, but I actually want it to go the other direction. So I go like that. If I want both directions, I can do 2 sides. So I can give it like something like this way, like that. But I probably want it just to come out maybe around, somewhere around there maybe. So that looks kind of good. I don't really worry about this side at all because I'm going to chop that all off anyway. But if this looks okay to me, I can just hit OK. And then I'm going to use my cut surface tool. And I'm going to take my target body is going to be this big block I just made. My tool body that's going to use to cut it is going to be this auto surface here. And then the last option is going to ask me what's your resulting body. So I'm just going to click on this little section once that's ready. So that's going to be right here. And then once it's done thinking, then this little button is going to be available for me to click OK. And there it goes. I hit OK, and I'm left with my little speaker box. In a second. There we go. That's it. Oh, and then of course, right now it's very straight edges, so I can go over to my chamfer or my fillets, and if I want to give it a, I don't know, 10 millimeter radius here, I can just click there. It rounds it all off nicely. I can round it off over here too, so I can go all along the entire thing. Oops. There we go. Do that, and so that smooths it out everywhere for me. This right here, it can be exported in multiple ways. So we can right click and export it as an IGES or a step file. Those are your typical ways. If you wanted, you can do STL. But what we can also do is we can take this entire timeline and transfer it directly into SolidWorks so that all of these steps are still in your chronological process. And you can go back and hide different things and edit your sketches so that it, you know, still adjusts accordingly.
And if not SolidWorks, we can also take this into Fusion 360.
Yep, so the timeline goes into SolidWorks, but the step files and all the features can go like into
Right.
Fusion
Any-
360. Yeah, and yeah, exactly.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.